To excel in the grammar section, tenses for the CBSE English Language and Literature 184 board exam, students need to develop the following skills. First, understanding the basic rules of tenses is crucial. Know the three main types of tenses and their subcategories. Present tense includes simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Past tense includes simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Future tense includes simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Second, identifying verb forms is essential. Recognize how verbs change with tenses such as base form, past participle, and ing form. Memorize irregular verbs and their forms. Third, sentence construction is important. Learn to construct grammatically correct sentences for each tense, affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. Fourth, recognizing time markers helps identify specific tenses. For example, words like yesterday, now, tomorrow already, since, for, while, and by the time indicate certain tenses. Fifth, error detection and correction skills are necessary to spot and correct errors related to tense consistency, verb agreement, and improper verb forms. Sixth, contextual usage is vital. Understand the appropriate tense based on context. Present tense for facts, habits, or current actions. Past tense for completed actions or past habits. Future tense for planned or anticipated actions. Seventh, tense consistency ensures that tenses remain consistent within a sentence or paragraph. Eighth, practice transforming sentences between active and passive voice while maintaining the correct tense. For example, she is writing a letter can be transformed to a letter is being written by her. Ninth, practice common applications in narrative writing, descriptive writing, and formal letters. Finally, mastering mixed tenses involves practicing questions that require switching tenses based on context. For practice recommendations, use grammar workbooks, solve past year question papers, write short paragraphs or sentences using specific tenses, engage in interactive exercises, and review common tense-related errors. To excel in grammar, subject-verb agreement for the CBSE English Language and Literature 184 board exam, students need to focus on the following skills. First, understanding basic rules is essential. The verb must agree with the subject in number and person. Second, accurately identifying the subject of the sentence is crucial, even when it is separated from the verb or complex. Third, recognizing special cases helps with specific rules for compound subjects, indefinite pronouns, and collective nouns. Fourth, handling complex sentences involves practicing identifying subjects and matching verbs in longer or inverted sentences. Fifth, dealing with quantifiers is important for understanding subject-verb agreement with quantities. Sixth, avoiding common errors is necessary, such as subjects with intervening phrases and collective nouns misinterpreted. Seventh, recognizing exceptions where singular nouns appear plural or vice versa is important. Eighth, using correct verb forms involves understanding auxiliary and modal verb agreements. Ninth, practice with error detection helps develop the ability to identify and correct errors in subject-verb agreement. Finally, time management and confidence can be built by practicing subject-verb agreement questions in timed conditions. For practice recommendations, solve exercises from CERT and grammar workbooks, use online quizzes, write your own sentences, practice past exam questions, and review mistakes from practice sessions. By mastering these skills, students can confidently handle subject-verb agreement questions in the CBSE board exam and strengthen their grammar proficiency.